Welcome back to Pickett Build. Quit laying around, let's get to work. Looks like we stripped one bolt. There's one bolt gone. This bodywork looks like cottage cheese. Let's keep at it. Oh, after all that, now I do want to lay down. Oh, golly. Whew. So let's get in here and take a closer look. Here's that one corner that was pretty nasty. Now going at it with that wire wheel, that was a lot of work, but I think it was well worth it. You can see here real close, there is a few rust holes here. Alright. I don't think I'm going to get too crazy on trying to fix every little rust hole in this thing. The plan is for this to be a utility trailer, so it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to serve its purpose. Alright guys, that was a lot of work. My plan is to remove this bed and get to the underside as well, but that's for another episode. Appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, say bye.
Bye.